Kamiti ya kwandika arutani TSC ni thamitie wira arutani 12 kuma thukuru wa mwena wa Charbi kaunti-ini ya Marsabit o ni thutha wa arutwo a thukuru ucio gutharikira arutani acio na makiria aria mataumite gicigo-ini kiu. Ihinda-inĩ riu Inspector General wa borithi Joseph Boynet ni athanite gwikio ngono kwa arutwo aria maratabanirie tharikiro ino, kuria ningi mwandiki mukaru ruhonge-ini rwa githomo ndagitari Belio Kipsang augite ni mambikite utwiria wigie arutwo acio aria megutacukirio ikinya ta ekinae.
This is a criminal activity and nobody will be spared. This is assault, and we have engaged with our colleagues in the Ministry of Interior and with the police, and we have told them that we shall not treat them as students. We shall treat them as people who committed a crime.
Kipsang ni ateterithitie ati thirikari ndegwitikira ciiko ta ici guthie na mbere mathukuru-ini kuona arutani mari na kihoto guthomithia kona ciothe guku bururi-ini.
Teachers, like all other public officers, we signed off ourselves to say that we shall be available to work in any part of the country, and therefore we are just exercising that part.
Kiambiriria-ini kia mwaka uyu makiria ya arutani 200 ni mathamirio thukuru-ini iria iri gicigo-ini giki kumana na uhaguku wa ugitiri thutha wa arutani eri gukua thutha wa itharikira riria ririkanaga gukorwo riatabanirio ni gikundi kia Al-Shabab thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Karsa. Akiaria ciĩgie mehariria makigeranio gya KCPE na KCSE, Kipsang augite matigucoka na thutha hari gutigirira igeranio ici ni cigekwo na njira ya wigirereki.
Structures have been put in place to ensure the integrity of examinations this year meets the expectations of the Kenyan people.
Oho neugite ni maranyita baru makinya ma kiwatho maria makinyukiirio thukuru na arutani aria manyitekanire na wici wa igeranio mwaka muhituku.
And that come January, February.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.